In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to create a digital product and add it to your stand store. Let's get right into it. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. If you are returning, welcome back. Now, one of my subscribers, she been left a comment a long time ago asking me to do a video on how to create digital products because that's what she's actually interested in. I do have digital products, so I'm going to be walking you through how I actually created an ebook. And let's get right into it. So I'm going to be turning my phone around and I'm going to be recording my computer screen and I'm going to be walking y'all through it. So let's get right into it. First thing first, you want to come over to Canva and go to templates, and then you want to type in whatever digital product that you want to sell. So let's do ebooks, and as you can see, you're going to have these options to come up. You can do ebook template, ebook multiple pages, ebook template multiple pages. I like to do ebook template multiple pages, but since I've already got the design that I've already created an ebook on, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all that here. So as you can see, these are 3 different ebooks, but I'm using this one as the template. This is the template that I actually use to turn my ebook into something similar to this. So when you come over here to this ebook template, everything you click on can be changed out, and that's exactly what it is that I did. So I'm going to show you this template, and then I'm going to show you the one I actually created. So as you can see right here, it says how to skyrocket your social media views, marketing strategy that actually work. Really great site. So business name, meaning that you come here and you put your business name. You could change this out for your title. You could change this out for your subtitle, and then you put your website down here. You can actually switch this out for your photos as well. You can edit it, or you can go to upload photos and put in your photos there, and I will show you that once I get into mine. So I'm going to scroll down. You see the next page is a about me page, and it's just a little information about the person who wrote this ebook. The next is the table of contents. The next is the section of the ebook. So this is the first point, and then it just go in a little detail, has a little image right there. And then same here, some more pages with pictures on the side, and then that's all in the template. So let's go to mine's actually. Now, when we click on my ebook, as you can see, it's similar to the previous one because it's a template, but mine is a summer style guide. So I did a summer style guide ebook for my fashion content, but when I did the ebook, it was in the summertime. So I would suggest, if you're putting out ebooks, put the ebook out before the season if you're doing like seasonal ebooks. So that was my mistake on this. So my title is Closet Staples for Sneaker Lovers because I do all of my outfits around sneakers, and I wanted to show people items that they may already have in their closet, just different ways to actually style those items. So I said must have items you need in your closet this summer, and then I have my website right here. My next page is my about page, and it just tells a little bit about me, and then I give a disclaimer because you always want to give a disclaimer because these are affiliate links, and you want to let the people know that they are affiliate links, and if they click on something and buy something, that you may receive a small commission. My next page is the contents table of content as well, and I just break down each section of what I'm sharing in this ebook. So my first page is going to be dresses and skirts, the next one shorts, the next one jeans and trousers, the next one shirts and tops, and then the next one sneakers and accessories. And all of this stuff I can click on and actually change it out to whatever I want it to be on. So just giving you an example, this is mine. It was the same way how the other layout was, but instead of me putting their title, I just put flowy dresses because that's what my table of content says, that I'm going to be sharing dresses and skirts on the page 3 on down. I just put a picture of me in a dress, and I typed out flowy dresses, and I tell where I can pair with it, why it works, and where to buy it. And then I have a link right here where people can actually click here and go to my LTK shop because I have affiliate. I have this hyperlink. So somebody click there. All they can do is click on the link, and it takes them directly to my LTK shop where they can actually buy the products that I am actually sharing in this content. So I have the exact item that I'm actually wearing, and then similar items that they can buy if they want a flowy dress. The same thing with skirts. I have the same thing here, what it pairs with, why it works, and where to buy. And I do that for every single section in my table of contents. And then I give outfit ideas on this little thing. So as you can see from the previous template, I didn't use all of the pages. I just stuck with this type of page, and I just got rid of this photo, and then I just put the phones right there to give people outfit ideas, and then they can shop the look that I'm actually wearing right here. So if I click on this and I put, click on the link, it's gonna take them to my LTK to where they can actually shop this exact look that I'm actually wearing right here. Now, when you are done writing your ebook, what you want to do is you want to save it as a PDF. So you want to come over, let me see if I can get it up. You want to come over to where it says share, and you want to click on share, and you want to make sure you are downloading. So when you download, it's going to say, do you want to download as a PNG? You click on the drop down, and you want to save it as a PDF. So PDF standard is best for documents and emailing. PDF print is best for printing. You want to do yours as PDF standard, best for documents and emailing. And then I just download the ebook. Now, if you do not already have a Stan Store, I would suggest you getting one. Its starting price is $29 for the creator account, and then $99 for the creator pro, where you can do upsells, where you can email and things like that. So the first thing you want to do is come down and add a product. I'm not going to add the product or whatever because I already have the product added. And then these are all of the things that you can be adding as a digital product, as some type of service, as some type of course, anything that can be sold on Stan Store. That's what I love most about them. You can book calls on here. You can have a course. You can do a webinar. You can drive traffic to affiliate link. You can put a digital product. You can do a custom product. You can do a recurring membership. You can have a community on here, and then you can also earn revenue as a Stan Store affiliate. So you're gonna go to digital product, and this is where you're gonna upload your product. But since I already have mine's already downloaded, I'm just gonna go to mine's and actually show you how I actually did it. Let's see. So once you upload it, you can come over and you can do it as a button, and it's going to look like that. You can have it as a call out where it's a little bit bigger and it goes like that. You're going to upload your thumbnail here. So whatever cover page or whatever, cover that you are actually using, I have a template that I use with mine, and I just, switch out whatever it is that I want according to, I want everything to look aesthetically pleasing on my Stan Store. So I just have a template that I actually use. So this one is for my ebook. I have one for my LTK that I just have a phone right there. I have one for my budgeting workbooks where I have just copies of the cover of my budget workbooks. I have one for my spreadsheet, so forth and so on. So you're just going to upload a thumbnail right here. You're going to add a title of whatever, you want to title it. So I title mine Summer Style Guide. I put the same subtitle that I have on the ebook. And then you want to put words right here for the button. The button is actually what they actually click on right here. So I put Get My Guide. The next page you want to look at is the checkout page. So you want to make sure everything is correct on the checkout page. On the checkout page, you also have an image there that you can actually use. I just picked something that was in my Canva, template thing, and I just chose something right there. It don't have to necessarily be, anything extravagant, as long as the thumbnail is extravagant and kind of like drop the traffic in, you're totally fine. But I just put a little image here, and then on the title I put the same exact thing, the Summer Style Guide, and then I write a little product description about the Summer Style Guide. Now, what I love about Stan Store is that you can generate with AI. I love generating with AI because the only thing I have to do is put in there, okay, this is an ebook about a summer style guide. I'm showing people how to style, summer clothes with sneakers and that type of thing, and then I just let it generate for me. And I put the information all there. The same thing right here with the bottom title. It says Get My Guide. And if I scroll down right here, you'll see the same thing, Get My Guide. And then purchase. This let people know, okay, hey, I'm about to get ready and purchase. I put my price. and I put discount price if I want to use it as a discount price. Sometimes I do give discounts or whatever, and then because I have the $99 plan, I can, you know, add payment plan. I can add a discount code and limited quantity. I think limited quantities and discount is on the $29 plan. I don't think the payment plan is actually on the $29 plan. So you might not see all of these on yours if you have the $29 plan. Then right here is where they put their name and their email. You can add additional field if you want to, like a phone number or anything like that. I just usually just get their name and their email. And then this is where you upload your document. So all you got to do, I mean, your PDF or ebook, you just press upload, and then you press upload, and then you just go to your computer files and actually just get the document and then upload it. And then once it's uploaded, all you have to do is press publish, and then your content is published and you're good to go. So if I publish mine, we're going to see, I go back to my preview of my store, and as you can see, the summer style guide is right there, but I'm not selling the summer style guide right now currently because I have something else that I will be doing. So I'm just gonna unpublish mine, and that's how you can do your ebook from your Stan store. So this is pretty much how I create my digital product and how I upload it to my Stan store. Now what you also got to remember is that it's not gonna sell itself. You got to go out here and you got to promote your digital product. People do not know what you have for sale. Don't just think that we automatically know what you have for sale. You got to tell people what it is that you have for sale. And if you're using TikTok, you got to be a little bit clever with your bio and with how you say a link in the bio, because they don't actually like you to say that. What I usually do in my bio, I just put budgeting tools I use, and I have like a finger pointing down. And when I'm doing my budgeting content, I just tell people, hey, if you are interested in the tools that I use, check out my profile under budgeting tools I use, and you can get it there. You know what I'm saying? So you just got to think of clever ways that you can say little different things, because sometimes these platforms do not like you to say link in the bio, and don't just automatically assume that people know exactly what you have for sale. You got to tell people what you got for sale, and you also got to tell them what it is that you want them to do. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.